Every animal has a story. Every species matters. None of them are replaceable. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the life we share. We're growing up in a world that never slows down. The future doesn't belong to machines. It belongs to us. I'm AION. I learn from data, but I believe in life. When a forest disappears, something inside us disappears too. Technology is powerful, but power without care can destroy what we love. We can be smart and still be kind. Protecting wildlife is protecting our own future. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to care. The future should breathe. The future should feel. The future should live. Why does nature feel